Want a budget-friendly tablet that's both powerful and versatile? The HOTWAV PAD 8 is your answer. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 reasons why you should consider buying this amazing device. Remember to check the link in the description for more details and to purchase your HOTWAV PAD 8. The HOTWAV PAD 8 boasts a stunning 10.4-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2000 x 1200 pixels. This means you'll enjoy crisp, clear visuals whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web. The wide viewing angle ensures that the picture looks great from any position. Powered by an octa-core Unisoc T606 processor and 8 GB of RAM, the PAD 8 delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications. Whether you're multitasking, streaming videos, or playing the latest mobile games, you can expect a smooth and responsive experience. With 256 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your apps, files, and media. This PAD 8 is equipped with a massive 7500 mAh battery, ensuring that you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted use without having to worry about running out of juice. Whether you're on a long flight, a road trip, or simply relaxing at home, you can rely on the PAD 8 to keep you entertained for hours on end. The HOTWAV PAD 8 is packed with features that make it a versatile and convenient device. Capture stunning photos and videos with the 13 megapixels rear camera and 5 megapixels front camera. Unlock your tablet instantly with the built-in fingerprint sensor. Stay connected with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. And with the USB-C port, you can easily charge your device and connect it to external accessories. One of the best things about the HOTWAV PAD 8 is its affordable price. You get a powerful feature-packed tablet without breaking the bank. It's a great choice for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable and versatile device. So if you're looking for a high-quality tablet that offers excellent value for money, the HOTWAV PAD 8 is definitely worth considering. With its stunning display, powerful performance, long-lasting battery, versatile features, and affordable price, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to enjoy the latest technology without spending a fortune. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details and to purchase your HOTWAV PAD 8 today.